In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Xiaomi to Strava with Mi Fitness app. So in order to connect your Mi Fitness to your Strava, you can do so on both Android devices as well as iOS device. So in here, we have the iOS. You can just log into the Mi Fitness app, open the profile and connected apps, and then tap to the button next to Strava to authorize Mi Fitness to connect to Strava. Then tap authorize in order to do this. Now, if you want or if you have a Xiaomi phone, you can have in here the option for the Android. Select on the profile tab in the lower right corner of the app, tap on settings, and then select third-party data. Now, if you have Strava mobile application installed, you can see it under the accounts and authorization. Select Strava from the list of apps and this will prompt you to log in into your Strava profile for verification and connection. Select the permissions you would like to give to Mi Fitness to access on Strava and then select Authorize. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.